This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Diane Keeley. Prepare to fall in love. All the work has been done. Ready to move in. Beautiful hardwood floors throughout, updated kitchen cabinets and solid surface counters, built-in cabinets beside wood fireplace and handcrafted coffered ceilings in family room. Spacious bedrooms including master bedroom with walk-in closet. Large cedar fenced yard, deck and shed. Attention to detail throughout this pristine home. Updates include roof, siding, kitchen and more. Curb appeal plus privacy. For more information, review the details below or contact Diane Keeley at 757-477-8577.